Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Professor. So today we are going to start the 20th program. So let's get started. We all know that we have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about the ordered list with type. Start with HTML tag, head tag, we'll give title ordered list, we'll end the title tag, we'll end the head tag, body tag, we'll start the body tag. Now ordered list type is equal to the town will be numbered with Roman uppercase. We'll give Baroda. Now we'll end the ordered list tag, body tag and HTML tag. Now we'll save it with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So here it comes. The number is displayed in Roman number, Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the output.